hangs in the balance. Human actions are destroying habitats, decimating our entire ecosystem and disrupting the circle of life. And with the rise in drought cases, it is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
Story of a pig that is inspiring others. One pot-bellied pig has certainly endured his share of problems. Chris P. Bacon was born without the use of his Yeah, you have to read this story.
That is live in Hernando, Mississippi, where there's been spottings of a cougar, and that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
5 feet. Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area. Look at this thing.
The last 2 years, hundreds have landed in the Summit County Medical Examiner's office.
My brother used to break in our house and steal the TV.
But now he's dead.
Oh no! Honk the horn! Honk the horn! Honk the horn! Oh my god, no! Oh! Brett, honk the horn! Oh, he's gonna tear up their car! Brett, honk the horn! Oh my god, he's in the car!
Oh shit.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a big... Oh my god. Josh. Oh my god.
Got him big time. Got him. Got him big time.